Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Assist. Today's video is based on how to create a Reddit account on your device. Now for that, go to your web browser and on top there's a search bar, type www.reddit.com and I will leave the link on a description box as well. So next you land inside a profile page or an official site of Reddit. Now on the same page, move towards the upper right corner and on top there is login and sign up. Now if you already have an account, so tap on login and enter your information, and if you don't have an account, so tap on sign up. Now as you tap on sign up, and here you can see there are different ways of signing up. Now first there is continue with Google, on the second step there is continue with Apple ID, and on the third step there is enter your email address in order to sign up. So from here you can tap on any one of the following methods that is convenient to you. As I want to go with my email, so I will enter my email address. So whenever you're done entering your email address, tap on continue. Now on the other page there is choose your username. So your username is how other community member will see you. And on the right side there are a few suggestions. So from here you can either select it or you can create your own username. Now choose or create your username. Now underneath there is password. So now you need to create a new password. So enter your password. So once you're done entering your password, so down there is I am not a robot. So make sure you tap on the box. Now once you're done entering your information, tap on sign up, which is right in the corner on the right side. Now on the other page you can see that I'm logged in. So once again there is another pop-up window and there it says what are you into. Select 3 topics to continue. So down there is a list of options. So from here you can select on any one of the following that you like. So for example that I like animals, and then I'll tap on art and design, and then I'll tap on beauty. So you can select more than 3 topics as well. And once you're done selecting your topic, tap on continue. So once again there is another pop-up window. Now from here you need to join some communities. You can tap on any one of the following that you like. So for example I'll go with the first one, and once you're done selecting you can select as much as you want and then tap on continue. So on the other pop-up window there is style your avatar. This is how people will see you on Reddit. That means this is your profile ID. Now if you want to change it, so tap on randomize, and if you think this is okay, so tap on continue, and if you don't want to do anything with it, so tap on skip. So here as you can see that I've logged in, which means that my account has been created, and on the same page on top there is search Reddit. So from here you can search any other communities that you wish to see or join any other communities that you wish to. Now you're all set to go and you can go through your Reddit account, and that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.